G'day guys. Yep, it's one of those times that calls for a T-bone. And I think she's almost done. Oh yeah, I think that's perfect. We've got a potato, we've got a carrot. They've been on there for a bit. But yeah, this is dinner for tonight. Oops, should have turned it over, the flames arced up. I was just trying to, yeah, no, she's done. Pull her over here to rest. I've got a cold spot over on the fire over here. I like the potatoes crunchy. So we'll stick them back over there. Dragging the carrot. Yeah. And while that rests, oh, look at that. Oh, mate, I'm going to turn that around. Oh, no, that side looks better. So we're just going to get it off the heat a bit. Oh. Yeah, don't touch the rock, please. Bit of ash. Oh well, who cares? Alrighty, that's dinner for tonight. Potato, and we've got some hot English mustard, some carrot, and a lovely T-bone steak. Rightio. As we always say, peace, love, respect, and see you next time. I'm eating that. Love yous.